In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the calendar time zone on Square Appointments. Whether you're moving across the country, setting up appointments for a remote location, or simply coordinating with clients in different time zones, maintaining the correct time zone in your scheduling software is crucial for smooth operations. Square Appointments makes this adjustment straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to ensure your business calendar reflects the correct time zone, preventing any scheduling mishaps. First things first, head over to Square's official website. You'll find it at squareup.com/us/n. This is your gateway to a multitude of tools designed to power your entire business, from payment processing to appointment scheduling. Once you're on the site, your next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button. It's hard to miss. Clicking this will lead you to a page asking for your credentials. The sign-in process is standard fare. You'll be prompted to enter your email address followed by your password. It's important to ensure these details are entered accurately to avoid any login issues. Remember, the email and password should match the ones you used when setting up your Square account. After successfully signing in, you're going to be directed to your Square dashboard. This dashboard is the nerve center of your Square operations, offering a comprehensive overview of your business's performance on Square. From your dashboard, you'll want to access more tools. It's a gateway to all the additional features and functionalities Square has to offer. Think of it as your toolbox for building a better business experience, both for you and your customers. In the More Tools section, look for Appointments. This is where all your scheduling magic happens. Square's appointment system is robust, offering a plethora of features to make booking seamless for both you and your clients. Once you've clicked on Appointments, find and select Settings. This area lets you customize your appointment system down to the nitty-gritty details, ensuring it works just right for your business's specific needs. In Settings, click on Calendar and Booking. This section houses the options for how your calendar functions and appears to you and your clients, a crucial area for managing how appointments are made and kept. Next, you'll want to find Online Booking Preferences. This is the segment within your settings that allows you to tailor how appointments are booked online, an essential part of managing appointments in today's digital age. Within Online Booking Preferences, you'll spot an option labeled Customer Booking Time Zone. This is precisely where you can manage how time zones are handled when clients book with you. It's an essential feature for businesses dealing with customers from various geographical locations, ensuring everyone is on the same page time-wise. Finally, here is where you can adjust the time zone according to your specific needs. Square offers a drop-down menu listing all available time zones, making it easy to select the correct one for your business. Whether you're in the Eastern Standard Time Zone, Pacific Standard Time, or any other, you'll find it here. Simply click on your desired time zone and your calendar will update to reflect this change. It's worth noting that after making this adjustment, new appointments will be scheduled according to the newly set time zone. However, it's a good idea to review any already scheduled appointments to ensure they align with your new time zone settings. Communication with your clients about any potential changes to their scheduled times might be necessary to ensure everything runs smoothly. And that's it. You've successfully changed your calendar's time zone on Square Appointments. It's a simple process, but one that can save you a lot of time and confusion down the line, especially when dealing with clients from different parts of the world. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Remember, keeping your business tools accurate to your current operation zone not only helps in scheduling and organization, but also enhances professionalism and improves client relations. Foster efficiency and reliability with these simple adjustments, and ensure your appointment scheduling is seamless and accurate.